side, like really.
What?
Really? Just because I don't have my camera don't mean I can't record you.
Is this fancy enough for you?
It's freaking huge.
Is it nice enough?
It's literally the same thing as my grandpa's, except bigger. And Denali.
Alright, get what?
No. Ooh, it smells like new. Jesus.
It is brand new.
Ooh.
No.
I can't even get up here. I need a hoist.
Would you drive
Oh,
this?
Jesus.
Would you drive this? Oh.
Oh my God, what's this?
This is Sirius XM.
Oh my God, I don't think I can drive this. This is like too huge for me.
Want your butt cold?
Yes. Dude,
Huh?
how the frick did you do that? Holy crap. Oh, we fully hooked up. Oh my God, I want this.
How we doing?
Good.
Oh gosh.
You really can't get out?
I'm scared. I'm not wearing the best shoes for this. What? I'm not the brightest. This is all uphill, so it's... Oh, it looks like the inside of my grandpa's Suburban. Huh? Yeah. My grandpa's Suburban's 2003.
Too old for you?
Kind of. Since this reminds me of my grandpa's
2006.
Suburban. This is literally my grandpa's Suburban.
Emerald, yeah.
You're skinny enough for that? Well, duh. Can't you get in? Haha. Doesn't it have a freaking clutch to it? Frick that. Why are we here? Oh, this is legit John's truck. There's no freaking...
Yeah, but this one's diesel and it's nicer.
It's not. There's no heating, cooling seats.
Oh, it's a 6-7. I don't think let me open it.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Bro, they're not gonna let you in this one. Not this one. What? I can't even fit through here.
Is this too
Ow.
low package?
Yes.
Is it actually?
I don't know. Let me in. Freaking dying over here.
I don't got heated or cold seat.
Ah, no. What the frick is this?
Alright. Get up.
Ow!
Go.
Fine then. Didn't like you anyways.
I knew that.
Told you that one was locked. Oh yeah, you don't listen to me, do you? Yes. Hi.
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 Hi. Let's get a photo. Let's see if I can get this. Ooh, Poopy!
Ooh, I do like this.
Poopy. I like Poopy. Oh my god, I want Poopy!
Is that locked?
No. I just didn't open it hard enough. Poopy! Ooh! What's this one? Are you locked? You are too. I hate this. No, we are not buying a truck. By the way. Because Mr. Fancy Pants over here is broke. Shimmy. Vehicles.
Cabela's edition?
Ooh, what does it look like? If it's fancy, I want it.
I don't. It's a 6'4".
Frick you. Ooh, it's nice in there. Oh, frick you.
How about the Escalade? You like that?
Sure. Ooh. Old. It's too much walking for me.
Back to this.
Hi.
Hi.
You're on recording.
I know.
That's what happens when you're with a YouTuber. Fine then. Ooh, Poopy.
Yes.
It's still Poopy. I can actually fit in this. It's still fancy.
No, that is not.
It is.
Leather seats. It's not easy to do. Or it's the clock.
Fine then. Be a lame-o and poop on my fun. He's ruining my fun, by the way. I'm dying. Oh, Dad's truck. Really? Tell Dad that. I dare you. Ew, Ford. You're actually looking at this? You just said, you down. My watch is about to die. Dang it, I should have brought my phone tripod. Why wasn't I smart? Ooh, fancy.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Why they locked things.
Because I want you to go ask them for help. Yeah, not fancy enough.
Ooh.
I don't care about the outside, I care about the inside. Hi. Ooh, can we look at cars?
Not yet.
Please?
There's a few
Please? Pretty please?
more. A few more trucks to look at.
I'm dying. Should have brought my car tripod. my phone tripod. I'm dying. Alright. Now on our way home after I just died of sweat. Open this bad boy up.